That's it. You can make a little torch. Yeah.
I mean, it looked like it
Yes,
was
but
high water.
High
combustion.
water consumption.
Consumption. I said combustion. That would
Combustion,
be
yes. Water combustion. All right, nice little shower.
different. That's pretty good. Okay.
yeah, you know.
Okay. Where'd you get a shovel
So-
from if you're surviving, my dude?
Well, you know, you can have a nice little backpack with you. Oh, cool.
That's awesome.
That's cool.
Whoa.
Nice.
Something fire pit. I forgot what it's
But
called.
okay.
To fan the fire. Fan the flames.
All right, cool. We
Got some rocky poos.
with some fish.
Oh, with some fishy poos.
All right.
Easy catchy
Oh
poos.
boy, easy catch. He's gonna cook the fish, isn't he?
Is this?
Oh no, it's a rain catcher, rain
Oh,
collector.
cool. Okay.
Dog,
And
you
he's-
know a lot about this.
And he's
right?
gonna. Yeah, I love recreational camping and.
I've had to survive many years in,
In
the,
the
wilderness.
bushes.
I was raised by wolves.
You know that one time I went to Australia and I just got stuck in the bush.
Just went to Australia in general. Like,
I went
and
for a
have to
walkabout
survive.
and I came back a man. I left a boy, I came back a man. Yes.
Is this a? Oh, it's like a little spoon.
Wow.
Spoonalicious.
I would definitely cut the edges off.
All right.
Okay, we're chipping this away.
Timber.
Timber.
All right.
Okay, we're doing
Nice
a little
knot.
loop-de-loop.
Okay, and then
Boy
we
Scouts. Nice.
And
Uh-oh.
go- Uh-oh.
Quick release mount. Oh, sweet.
Cool.
What
For
Boom.
traps and stuff.
Boom.
easy to.
Oh,
okay,
and
yeah.
for... Oh, nice.
So
What
it's a
is this?
toothbrush
Toothbrush.
and a toothpick.
Okay.
Done.
Okay.
Brr, I'm
It
cold.
could work. It
Just
could
breaks all your teeth.
It's a survival blanket.
work. Yeah. So,
Cool, okay.
That's it.
That's
Nice
it.
hack. Exactly. No one wants a
Oh.
holy roof.
Ah, if you want to break apart a stick fast,
Boom.
Yep.
there you go. Just find two close by trees.
Exactly.
it's easy to find.
Boom. Look
I
at
saw
that.
it. I saw it.
Nice.
That's
With
very
the
nice.
handle.
It's
Yeah.
very nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Very good.
Good job, dude.
I like this guy's shovel, but it could be a little longer.
It's a
you know?
foldable one. So you have it like this.
What?
This small and you can get it out.
With
Yeah,
metal?
No, it's not metal. It's a ferroceral rod.
Ferrocereal rod.
Yes, it's
Dude, you're with all the information. Just like, that's actually a Slaquanda tree. And
You can quote me. You can Google it.
if you mix it with Bashalamu sap,
It's a ferrous rod. It's like a flint from a lighter. So all you need to do is get some friction and
Okay.
done.
I just
Fun
know
fact about Moss.
why?
Oh.
Oh,
He's baking it. He's gonna make a fire on top. Yeah,
And that
underground
bakes it?
stove.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's also how they.
that's cool.
It sounds like he watched that video and
I-
he
I-
said,
That's
And
you know they
they
actually
swear
bake.
down.
Google it everything.
Yeah.
Did not watch it. Just big enthusiast.
You're like that's a brownstone.
It's a sock. It's a
I
stone
think
in
that's
a
a sock. It's a blue sock
It's for the nice aroma.
made by Nike. Okay, let's see how this chicken turned
Get
out.
Chicken out. Boom.
Ooh, it looks pretty good.
oh,
It's covered in
Alright.
dirt though.
Yeah, if
Gotta
you're in
give
a
it a
survival
wash.
situation, you don't really care. Just extra minerals.
Dirt, yeah, it has extra
That's
minerals.
it.
It reminds me, actually, I watched this program with Zac Efron where he went to this country
Yeah.
where there's like volcanic soil.
I think I
Okay.
saw that one.
and they actually make bread in the volcanic soil by just
Yeah.
burying it.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Wow, I
because
didn't
it's
watch
so
that.
hot.
Yeah.
I didn't watch it, but then
All right, he's gonna make some tea. Oh no.
It's
More
not a
toothbrush.
toothbrush.
My guy is really taking care of his dental hygiene.
That would be my least worries if I'm trying
Yeah.
to survive. But it's good. It's good.
Actually, now you need to pay attention for it.
Yeah,
Because-
exactly, because
because
death
you can get a-
creeps in through the gums.
Yes.
Death creeps in through the gums.
Yep.
Damn.
Eat an apple a day, my dudes.
Damn. Better. I'm a
So-
survivor.
We got some
I'm
survival
a
stuff.
forgiver, I'm a...
They can ban us.
Yeah.
Copywriting.
All right. Not a sponsor.
Okay, we got some sock here.
Destiny's Child.
Flammable sock. He's making a torch.
Flammables. Guy, you're gonna get really cold at night.
I think all
don't
socks-
waste your socks.
All socks are flammable.
Look at that. Yeah, but he put.
Why'd you do it like that?
Where'd you get a chicken in the forest?
Did you ask him permission first? Oh, he's going fishing.
He's going good.
Or he's making a fish
Ah,
trap.
it's a trap.
What?
Cool.
Wait a second, you're gonna spend all your chicken for fish?
Yeah, I feel like he could just put a
for-
few pieces,
Or
right?
piranhas, right? And they'll have fish inside.
Whoa!
They'll have chickens. No, get out of here.
They-
I don't believe that.
Yeah, they should
You
be
think that
alive,
works?
right?
maybe it works,
We
but
need to-
another point,
we need
why
to
you
try-
spend your chicken on it? You can eat
Well, you
your
can still eat
chicken.
the chicken afterwards, right? It's
I
just
guess.
soggy chicken.
I'm
Yeah.
not sure that you can eat it.
Of course you can. It's just in
Why?
the water, right?
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
water.
If it's cold water, okay.
Yeah.
If you eat the
Yeah.
fish out of the water, you can
Okay,
eat the
okay.
chicken out of the water.
You sold me. You sold me.
What's it? Is this a backpack? It's a it's a briefcase.
That's kind of cool,
A
actually.
backpack for firewood.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
A nice
I
little
approve of that.
bushcraft.
It looks super uncomfortable.
Whoa.
All right. He's gonna make some, because you
Snowshoes.
because you carry 2 tennis rackets with you. I'm just gonna go play tennis with my buddy, but it's really snowing. Nice hat, guy.
Aluminum, also a really good survival blanket.
Nice.
Ah,
reflective
it's a reflective
wall.
wall. Yeah.
Okay, so it keeps
stuff.
the heat
Good
directed
work.
at you,
Yeah.
I guess.
Work.
You can do that with like stacking a whole bunch of wood as well,
Mhm.
Nice.
and you keep the heat around your tent or shelter.
Hey, way too much information.
All right, don't break your brain.
Okay, we got a saw. For some reason,
Little
surviving in the wilderness, we have a saw.
Okay.
Gonna pack it up now, or you just? Yeah. You know,
Ooh.
he's bored, so he's making a snow sculpture.
That's kind of cool, yeah.
Yes.
What should I do? A little
It's a
table.
snow table! I love it. That's
Wow,
awesome. Is that liver?
nice.
Oh, no.
That's
Ketchup.
ketchup.
Okay, natural ketchup.
Oh gosh, she's marinating it in ketchup and pepper.
I mean, that looks pretty good.
It's
All right, why not?
Tasty.
Why
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Nice, nice. Oh,
So,
bacon,
does it cook?
ketchup bacon. All
Probably be
right.
pretty good. I mean, I wouldn't be complaining about ketchup bacon if I was surviving in the wilderness.
What, if I had a snow table?
Yeah. You really have no leg to stand on.
All right, nice.
Okay. Well,
And then he forgets to they burn, and then
Yeah.
in the morning
The next
That's
step
frostbite.
is just some ashes on the floor.
He has no shoes, and he's like, "Oh crap! What do I do now?"
it was that.
Oh, you can clean your face with
Screwed
snow.
up.
It makes sense, I guess. But your
Hey.
face would be all cold and stuff.
Oh, don't have a compass? Oh, he did have a compass. Ah, I got some nice resin sap.
Ooh,
Natural.
Okay.
It's Earth's glue.
Earth's glue.
Yeah.
Blue.
Okay,
Flammable, and that's it. You can make a little torch. Yeah.
cool. Oh, it's flammable as well.
Flammable
Awesome.
glue, yeah.
Wow, good to know.
Look at that.
Okay,
Peeling off
make
the
use
bark.
of a fallen tree there.
Exactly.
Chopping off the bark.
And making a shelter. Wow. Is he? No, he's not.
What is he doing here?
Let's see.
It's like
I imagine it's like a roof. Yeah, he's making a
Oh,
little shelter.
cool.
There we go.
nice.
Not
That's a
bad.
lot of work,
Very
though.
cool.
Yeah.
That is a lot of work. Yeah.
Insulation.
And you have to be very precise with how you're cutting. Like the
It's good
Inuits.
work. It's good work.
That is good
it
work.
could definitely work. Yeah.
Is this some sap? We're getting some sap.
All right, we got a birch tree. Opening it up.
Open. Oh, getting
Get
the,
the bark.
The bark out
Yeah.
there.
Oh, still
It's a
deep.
ski? I don't
Okay,
know.
where do your shoes go, bro?
He's digging a hole. to
Oh,
put
it's like
his
a
foot in.
makeshift shovel.
Ah,
That's cool. Okay.
Lava.
that's nice.
Oh, and it's nice and insulated at the bottom.
That's
cool.
cool.
Wow. Okay.
All right, just taking the snow back in.
That's cool. It's like how they make igloos and like how you can light a
Yes.
fire in an igloo with the insulation.
Yeah.
And like when you light a fire in an igloo, like the inside layer melts, but the outside layer like hardens. Yeah, at the same time.
All right.
Cool.
What's he doing here?
Some chopping wood.
That's called batoning.
Is he making a spear?
Well, you get a knife. and you-
Betonic technique or what? How?
Batoning, yeah. The technique is called to baton something, to baton a piece of wood.
Oh.
That's when you don't have an axe. You start to just, or you do it with your axe.
He's making a club.
Ah.
Okay, we got some wood here.
All right, little table. There we go.
Oh, cool. Okay, little
Or
table.
shelf. Nice.
Nice.
Nice and personalized. Look at that beautiful birch. Love it. One of my favorite trees.
Don't strip the birch, my dude.
Best flammable material you can get.
Really?
Yeah.
Best what's it called? Tinder.
Ooh, okay.
Best tinder
Yeah.
you can get.
Birch
Great,
tinder.
great, great.
Right after the app, obviously. All right. Light that up. See, that's what he's doing. Look how flammable it is. Beautiful. That's called flaring. But usually it needs to be like that so it curls up.
You have so
Okay,
much
yeah.
wood information.
Yes.
You must pay a lot of attention to wood.
I do like my wood.
Okay. Got some fire going. All right, and we're melting water.
All right.
Yeah.
Fun fact.
Wait, no, tell us.
So when you melt snow, it's a lot less than you fill up the cup. So it's like probably if you have a full cup of snow, you probably
Thank
get a
you,
quarter.
dog.
Because it expands,
You
right?
get a quarter of.
It's
It's
Aves
a lot more
fact.
energy.
It's Aves
A lot
fact.
more energy to melt snow.
What's he gonna do with the sap?
When you're in a survival situation, never eat the
Ooh, it's a
snow
bandage.
because it's the sap as glue. That's cool, but I
What?
don't think it's gonna hold the hammer, an axe like that.
Yeah, it's a heavy accent.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't. I mean, it's not like epoxy. It's,
They-
it will. Come on, you're whacking